Guys, you know, I'm here with his Tupac girlfriend, I swear.
Yes, sir.
Tupac wife. Before Tupac was taken by God.
Before Tupac died.
Yes, Tupac, yeah. Tupac, we proud of you every way day, I swear. Oh my God. I did sing with them since yesterday. Now I just know say, now Tupac. Yes. Oh my God.
Hello, my people. How una day? Peller don't they enjoy in life? Tiwa Savage don't carry am trabaye. Tiwa Savage make Peller enter private jet and make him relate with her son. So Peller, Tiwa Savage and friends and son, they all we're all balling inside private jet with Peller. Peller is now a global star. When I watch the video.
Tiwa Savage, you don't make my dream come through. Yes, I have and it shall be given. Private jets. We're in the sky.
Are you cold?
I'm cold. I swear to God. I don't be bothering me this year. Okay, they open the window down. Oh my God. Hey, come be like say I deaf. Is it only me?
Yeah.
It's only me. That I be like say I deaf. The cold that better my ear, no ear.
It's only you.
Japan is the definition of black is beautiful. Hey! I just look at you, you're fine, you're beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you. What's this? What's the IP? Yeah! Far from the private jet of Iyayo. Anything I said I want to do, come with full hand and it will be successfully. Answer the private jet. Oh my God, I don't go for. See, a lot of people go, they do private jet go there. Who's kids? A lot of things that happen. All of jet private jet stay there too. All of jet private jet. My own private jet, now that side, I don't pack them, but I don't buy them. I don't tell that person who gets them, say, now, may they put that space for me down. You say nobody pass there. Now, me won't pass there if I don't buy my own. So, when I tap down, wait you. Daddy, Nicki Minaj. Oh my God, she look crazy. Kidney, why you die? Look at me, baby. Nicki Minaj. Oh my God, you look pretty. I will never leave you. I will marry you when you are in just visa. I did there for you in the quiz. Seriously, they make I no follow again. I will follow you till I tight. You look pretty. You look pretty together. You like me. So, thank you, Mr. Yemoli, for coming to my zoo. I love you. I'm so happy.
#1 streamer in Africa.
Yeah, God bless you for saying that. You can say that again. Say that. See, if you don't go where Whiskey say it in the here, make it here. If you don't go, Odogu, say it in the here. Say for all of them here. Make them know. Oh no, it's not shy. You know it's you. I shame, nigga. I love that, nigga.